Once your Nexentis FQM installer has finished downloading, click the downloaded file to begin the installation. You can usually find it at the top right of your browser or in your Downloads folder. In your Downloads folder, locate the file named Nexentis-FQM-setup-1.0.0.exe. Double-click the file to launch the installer. Because Nexentis FQM is a new software, Windows Smart Screen may display a security warning the first time you install it. This does not necessarily mean there is a problem with the software. Windows may show this message when an application is new and has not yet built enough reputation with Microsoft. Click More Info to continue. After clicking More Info, Windows will display the application name and the publisher information. Make sure the application is Nexentis-FQM-setup-1.0.0.exe and that the publisher shows Verner Technologies Inc. Then click Run Anyway to continue the installation. The Nexentis FQM Setup Wizard will now open. Select the language you want to use during the installation, then click OK. Next, choose where Nexentis FQM should be installed. For most users, the default installation folder is recommended. Click Next to continue. You will now be asked if you want to create a desktop shortcut. Leaving this option selected is recommended, so Nexentis FQM is easy to access after installation. Click Next. The Setup Wizard is now ready to install Nexentis FQM. Review the installation settings, then click Install to begin. Please wait while Nexentis FQM is installed on your computer. This step may take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you can leave Launch Nexentis FQM selected if you want the app to open immediately. Click Finish. Nexentis FQM is now installed and ready to use. The application will open on the login screen. In the next video, we will go through the initial app setup and activation process.